All right, I'm making fluted cups with a fluting tool. It looks like this. Um, so this one has kind of a round profile. You can get ones that have more of a point, but this one is more round. And I tried to make them once before and I just kind of winged it, and my lines weren't very straight and I really wanted to have nice vertical lines. So I looked online and I could barely find anything. I found one thing that gave me a little hint. And so I wanted to just share that right now, even though I'm not great at this. It's just my first time really doing it, or second time. Now this cup does have a slight flare, which means that they can't be totally vertical because they won't be. They have to be a little wider apart at the top. Maybe I'll find one that's a little more vertical. I think it's going to be easier. So it's something to think about if you want to flute cups. You know, as vertical as you can get it, it's going to make it easier. It's also nice to have this entry point that's clear. Like, it's really hard for me to start at this part because there's just a line there, but there isn't an open. So I have some open space above this. So yes, so this is a clean entry here. I can easily just start my cut right here. So here's what I'll do. I'm gonna set up my first vertical I'm gonna just trace a line here. So this is basically square, and this is gonna help me, instead of just doing it by eye, that'll give me a real vertical. Now, if I really wanted to be fancy about it, I might do a few of those all around, but I'm just gonna trust that one's enough. And I do wanna clean this up first. So now I'm gonna just cut that whole line out. Oh, there's Delilah. Okay. When I get to the bottom, I'm gonna turn this tool and make kind of a round spot there. And then I can use that as a guide, remembering that I want my cuts to be, well, this isn't so flared, but in general, the top is I think a little wider than the base. So every once in a while, I'm gonna do a visual check and maybe correct myself as I'm going. Okay. This is pretty soft. Might be nicer to do this when it was a little bit more leather hard. That's something I'm gonna have to learn. I'll do some like this and then some when they're a little bit drier and see which I like better. And I'll just check, because sometimes you can just see. No, it looks really vertical. Looks nice. The nice thing about when it's soft is I can use my finger to kind of heel those over. When I watched the person doing the demo, they had really nice curls there, so I must be doing something wrong. Let's see if I can, maybe if I do it the other way. Is that better? Maybe that's better. It's always good, like, if you're not happy with your results, change something up. Start experimenting. It's good to focus on, like, what's the part where you're getting tripped up. strange that just changing the direction would make that big of a difference, but it does seem like it does. And last one. So yeah, now I'll go back with my finger and just make those nicer, and then I'll go back later when it dries up a little bit with a sponge and just soften it all out. It needs a little more. Some of these need a little more symmetry. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm excited about these. They feel fun and tactile. And yeah. All right. Hope that's helpful. All right. So since this one had a little more of a flare, I decided to do 4 there. So let's see how that goes. I'll do those 4 first, and then I'll go in between them. So those will stay vertical. Learning. Teaching ourselves how to do things. So fun. It's also fun when other people can teach us how to do them. Okay. Now I think what I can do is get 3 in between each of these. So what if I do the middle? Oopsie. And then those 2. Okay, that one didn't really stay in the middle. Okay, that one worked pretty well. Okay, so the middle. And then those 2. And last one. And I knew to separate it into 4 because I was counting before. I almost always count when I work, and I knew there were 16. I was carving 16 of them, so that was an easy separation into 4. Yep. Okay, that one looks pretty good. Pretty vertical. I'm so glad. I just really wasn't sure how to get my cuts vertical, and I saw somebody and he was cutting out against a straight edge every single flute, and I figured I could just probably start the first one and then eyeball it from there because I'm just lazy and it takes a long time to do it that way. Okay, fun.